everyone, thank you so much for joining the channel back. Alright, here we'll be talking about how to create realistic AI characters, maybe using AI to generate cartoon characters or realistic human characters, probably for a storytelling or for animations. And to create this, is very simple. These are stuff that you can do in 10-15 minutes and then you're done. Okay, so the major tools to use: first, you have an editing app in your phone if you're using a phone, or you can get an editing app in your system if you're using a system. Okay, so you can maybe use the common ones: Premiere Pro, CapCut, Filmora. So anyone that is okay with you, because these characters or these animations are done scene by scene. Okay, scene is more like the roadmap that tells the story about what you want to create. Okay, so they explain how the line of the story, and makes it understandable for the person that is watching it. All right, so now to do this, first you have to head to ChatGPT, which is very popular. Okay, so I'll be showing you, we'll be doing a practical using ChatGPT to come up with a script, and then we use this script to get what we want. The first thing you have to do is to come up with your script, like I mentioned earlier. And to do this, you just have to type in your script. So for now, what I'm working with is a script on generating a short advert for someone that wants to sell crypto to a friend. Make it 3 scenes and add prompts for each of the scenes and include the narrator's voice. So I want 2 major things in this script: the prompt for the scene and the narrator's voice. So ChatGPT was able to generate the 3 that I needed. Okay, now the first part is, here is scene 1. Here is a prompt for the image and video generation, and here is the narrator's voice. Okay, so that for scene 1. We have for scene 2 the prompt for the generation, the scene generation, and the narrator's voice. Okay, so it continues to the 3rd scene. Now it's actually 3 scenes for this advert we want to do. Now the first thing you're going to do, or the first place you're going to head to, is actually Google Labs. The link is labs.google.fs. It gives you this interface where you put the prompt and see what it will give you. So we come to the first scene. Here is the description, here is the prompt for the first scene. So we'll copy this out, and then we'll take it to image generator here, which we are using Google Labs. All right, so you put it here and you click create. So this will generate, using the prompt will go from ChatGPT. It will generate the image for that first scene. Okay, for the first scene. So this is what we have. So I'll take any of these pictures. Let me go with this one. So this particular image of 2 guys, one showing the other a phone, and is about to do with a Bitcoin logo on it, about to do transaction. So we'll download it. And now when you download it to your device, the next thing to do is to go to another tool, and the name of this tool is called image to prompt. Now look at this place, you will definitely see it here. It's image-to-prompt.org, because ChatGPT does not give a detailed. Now what we want to create, now the idea of coming to this place is because we want to create a consistent characters throughout the whole scene. We want a consistent character. So the first image that we generated using that Google Labs here will help us detail that picture very well for us to have more detailed prompts, better than the first one that ChatGPT gave us. For example, looking at the prompt that ChatGPT gave us, there is no part that has the color of their clothes. It just said two African young men, 20, sitting in a cozy modern lounge, one holding a smartphone with a glowing crypto wallet app on the screen, the other looking intrigued. Now, there is no description of clothes, the style of the clothes, and all. And remember, this is scene one, so scene two have to look like scene one also. Are you getting it? The characters in scene one, what they are wearing in scene one, have to still maintain um the features. You understand? Scene one, scene two, scene three have to be consistent characters, consistent dressing, probably different background, yeah, but at least most of the features should be the same. So for you to achieve this, you have to come over to this other one called image to prompt, so that it can analyze that first picture that you downloaded that you liked. So you come over to this area and click upload. You go to, now if you're using your phone, you go to your file manager, check your download. Okay, so you go to your download, you click on the picture and you upload it. Now here I have it on the right side of the screen. Then you scroll down to the part that says generate prompts. And remember that as you're generating these prompts, you have to get your notepad out. You're going to copy this prompt and take it to your notepad. All right, so that you wouldn't have to lose it, because we'll keep editing it and modifying it so that we can create a consistent character in this first generation. Now, I'll be going deeper on how to share using several AI models, AI video generating models. So we are exploring how to create using prompts, starting with prompts, and then taking it to image FS, that's Google Lab FS, to get your pictures. We'll take it to image to prompt, the picture that we downloaded that we like. We'll not take it from here to our notepad. So I'll copy the prompt. Now, for the sake of the class, I'll be using CorelDRAW so that you can get to see. I want to zoom in very well so that you can get to see the test very well, and then you can stay with me as I edit it.